Hey friends, if you wish to create a bar graph or a column chart on a Microsoft Excel, then please watch this video. Okay, so we have raw data here. These are subjects, these are students, and these are their scores in respective subjects. So we have the data already, and you need the data because without that, it won't help. Now you would be on the Home tab by default. Select the data, go to the Insert tab. Ideally, in the chart section you would find the bar graph chart, but if you don't, look at these bars here or scroll over them and you'll find the bar chart graph. When you click on this, you will notice that there are two types of charts. One is the column one and one is the bar one. What is the difference between a column and a bar chart? Columns are horizontal and bars are vertical. So let me show you a bar graph first. Okay, these are types. This is thicker, this is a little thin, this is thinner. Okay, and this is a clustered column. This is these columns are arranged one by one, and in this one it is quite similar, except that the columns are pushed up to the top and you are given a percentage. So these are different types of column charts. Okay, this one gives the percentage of that subject. This one gives the, what do we say, comparison, and this one is the best one in this specific case because it gives you different bars for each subject, and this it can be very useful. Now if you want a column chart, okay, I will remove this bar chart here. If you want a column chart instead, click on this one and then click on this, and now let's go to the column charts. Okay, the column charts are the exact same as the bar charts. If you notice that, the only difference is that these are horizontal. Okay, so I'll select this one because this makes the most sense in this particular situation. Additionally, you can also use 3D charts, but here's what I have noticed about 3D charts, that these 3D bar and column charts are just simple. It's just that they have been tilted a little. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.